time for another declutter video. Now today we're doing the highlighters. I will try to leave a playlist of the declutter videos I have done. I was gonna also include like powders and blushes, but I rather do them by, separate categories. Go ahead and get started. This is not easy for me. I love makeup. This is really old. I need space for new products, so let's get started. I have this one here. This is by the brand Paleto. It's called I'm Glowing Highlight Palette. I never really use this a lot. I don't really use the brand Paleto. You can tell that I did dip into this. This really didn't stand out to me. It's be like 4 years old, so as of now it's going in the declutter pile. Revolution Ghost Light Vivid Baked Highlighter. I've had this for so long. This was probably like a limited edition Halloween or something, probably 4 years ago. It was cute, but very powdery. Is not like smooth. I would keep it because of the packaging, but I just can't keep doing that. I really can't like hoard these products. It's cool, it's nice, it's a nice skull. Definitely if I had more space I would keep it, not because I use it but because of the packaging. This one from NYX, Duochrome Illuminating Powder. This one's gonna go to Lavender Steel is the color. All of these are used, touched, swatched, so I will see if I can list any of them. Like in Poshmark, I'll take a look. This is not really like a highlight that I would use on my face. All of these are products that I buy to like review. This is just not something I reach for. I know you can use it like on for the eyes and stuff, not just for the face, but this is gonna go. One is from Pixi. This was a collaboration. This is by Aspen Navard. Believe that's how you say it, and it's the Glowy Powder Santorini Sunset. Don't use it a lot, almost never reach for it. Now is getting decluttered. This one here, another one from NYX. This is the same as the other one, but this is in another shade. This is the shade Twilight Tint. They're really nice. Duochrome. I don't use a lot of duochrome highlighters, especially like colors like this. Is gonna get decluttered as well. I probably bought it like 4 years ago. Not that there was anything wrong with them, I just don't reach for them. The colors are just not what I go for. This one's in the color Gleaming by Koki. I might keep this one. Is really hard to find and I do enjoy using it. I do not reach for it too much, but it's really nice. Perfect. So I will be keeping this one from Koki. This other palette is from Milani. This one is called 03 Rose Gold Stellar Lights. I really didn't reach for it. Nothing impressing. I will see if I list it anywhere to sell, but this is getting decluttered. I just don't feel comfortable selling or getting rid of stuff that I have used. I don't know. It's just not. It's not safe. This one here, 2017. This was a limited edition from Tarte. As you see, this one has a lot of sparkle. This has to be the most massive highlighter that I have ever bought. This one is called Goddess Glow. This one is getting decluttered as well. I have this one from MAC. This one is called Happy Go Dazzlingly. Packaging is beautiful. As you see, I buy a lot of limited edition makeup. Again, I review these products on my channel, so it was really nice. For me, it's like super gold. I don't die for like super gold highlighters. The packaging is really cute. Stay pile. My next declutter, I'll probably let it go, but this one is from e.l.f. This is so nice. This is in White Pearl. I'm going to declutter it. I really don't reach for it, but I remember when I reviewed it, I was mind blown. This is stunning. It's a beautiful highlighter. It could look so basic, but trust me, it's blinding. It's beautiful. This one is from City Glow. As you can see, it's like a cream highlight. I love cream highlighters. Oh my god, I don't really use cream products for makeup, but cream highlighters I really enjoy. Got this in an Ipsy bag, but this one is gonna go. I don't really reach for this at all. I think it's like 2 different colors here. This one from Wet n Wild. You can see it has a lot of sparkle here. Packaging is super different. This one is called Illuminatrix. Here's what it looks like. It was not bad. Of course, limited edition. This one's gonna go. Crystal High is the shade. I have one that I've tried to declutter so many times, but I never could. This is by The Balm. This is the Mary Luminizer. It was so popular. Here's what it looks like. I don't think it's anything special, blinding. I will finally let this one go. I have several here from the Wet n Wild. This is the Botanic Dreams shade. I really like this one. These are blinding from the drugstore. Like, you have to have these. They're blinding. This is a beautiful shade. It's more like on the pinky side, so I'll keep this one. This one is Blossom Glow. Really nice. As you see, it's not as pink. I will keep this one as well, but trust me, I highly recommend these from the drugstore. Beautiful. They have so many shades. Oh my god, this is one of the first products that I reviewed on my channel. So old. This is Precious Petals. So many people love Precious Petals. Actually, it's a bit dark for my skin tone. I will finally be decluttering this one, but it was beautiful. So much history with this one on my channel. It means a lot, but I will finally let it go. This one is by Luna. It's, what is this called? Electra. It was really nice. It's a baked highlighter. I will let this one go. This one is gonna go. It was really nice though. It's not gold. It's more like pinky, so it was nice. Great color. This one is from Benefit. Is the High Beam. This is more like a liquid highlighter. Is satiny pink. I will keep this one. I had one really old when I decluttered, but this is a newer one, so I know this is still fresh to use. I just don't reach for it as much, so I will keep this from Benefit. I have this palette here from Tarte. Skin Twinkle Volume 2 Lighting Palette. Shades are really nice. Most of these, like I said, I bought it just to review on my channel. It's what I do. I review makeup, do some tutorials. So I'm pretty sure I have a review on this swatches. So if you're like, oh, I wish I knew what that looked like, most of these are on my channel. I do have a highlighter playlist. Just interested in highlighters. This is really nice. I might still keep this one. From Estate, I probably received it in Ipsy. It looks really gold. It's called Do Me Lit Baked Highlighting Powder. Beautiful little pink packaging. It's gonna get decluttered. I have one here from the brand Kaja. I don't know if I got this like in a little set from Sephora. This is in Toy Alien. Really small, and as you see, it's like a cream highlighter. I don't think it was anything special. I will still keep this one just in case. I don't have a lot of cream highlighters. I like Kaja. It's not a bad brand. You could get it at Sephora. This beautiful palette, look how dirty it is because it's white. Oh my god, I remember when I got this. I was so happy. This is the Glow x5 signature palette. So you get 5 different highlighters if you ever wanted to try. You get the Star Island, Rodeo Drive, Bali, Pillow Talk, and Blissful. Such a cute palette. I doubt that they still have it in stock. They probably have something similar. They have lots of palettes in their collection, but I love this one. I die for it. It has to be one of my favorite highlighting palettes ever. It's beautiful. I love the design. This one also, so much history on my channel. It's viewed so many times. One of my first reviews ever. This is by Revolution, the Triple Baked Highlighter in Goddess of Faith. I don't even know if it's still good, and it's so old, but I'm going to have to keep this one. I don't die for the packaging. I love the design that it's a heart, but it feels really cheap, but what's inside is gold. I don't know if you can still find it, but this is the Goddess of Faith one. It is beautiful and blinding. This is by ColourPop. I have 2 of them here. I'll show you right now. And by the way, these are the ones that I really don't use, but I have others in my collection. This one was in the color Wisp. I think this is a bit dark. Completely destroyed. It's just not for me. So sad that it's destroyed. These have the best formula from ColourPop. It's my favorite thing from ColourPop. They're Super Shock Cheek highlighters. The best cream highlighters. This is going. This one is destroyed too. Oh, so sad. This one was in Flexitarian. Guys, Flexitarian and Lunch Money, the most beautiful shades ever. I have a video on my channel comparing both, trying them both so you can see if you were thinking which one is better, what's the difference. Oh, this one's gonna go. So sad. I'll probably repurchase this one for sure. I die for this formula. Okay, this is from Milk. This is a stick highlighter, and this one is the Luminous Blur Stick. I will get rid of this. I didn't use it too much. I'm pretty sure it came in a set of highlighters from Sephora. But yeah, I don't reach for this that much. It's not blinding at all. This is like my only stick highlighter, I believe. From Ofra. This is in the shade Blissful. Like I said, I also have it in the palette. Really nice color. I will be keeping it. Here's what it looks like. Beautiful color. I have this here from Becca. The highlighter is in the color Light Chaser. It's so nice. It wasn't my favorite. Nothing special. I think it's too gold. You don't even see how gold it is on camera. But it's super gold. I would keep it just because Becca's going away. I don't know. I might just keep it just because of that. But another one from the drugstore that it's a must-have. Revlon Skin Light Prismatic Highlighter. This one is in Daybreak. Guys, this is beautiful. This one and the ones from Wet n Wild are insane. I have a video on my channel showing you this. How gorgeous this packaging is. It's so unique. Beautiful, and this is such a beautiful shade. So many highlighters from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Platinum Bar. I don't know if I'll keep this one right now. I might still keep this one and see if I use it. It says mirror enclosed. I never even knew that. This is limited edition. Again, I buy so many limited edition. Then I can't use them on my channel because you guys can't get your hands on it. This one from Fenty Beauty. Really nice. This is in Sandcastle. This was, I think, in a little set. I don't even know if you can get this shade alone or anymore at all. The perfect color. It looks so messy right now. My hands are getting destroyed. This is why I don't like to do French, because they get so dirty. Look at this color. Oh my god, I can't tell you how beautiful it is. I know I have videos showing you how this looks, tutorials, but yeah, Sandcastle. Beautiful, and just look at the packaging. Everything about Fenty Beauty is amazing. This one from NARS. You know, a long time ago I used to take off like the writing, what do you call it, the stickers that it comes in. Now it's like so sticky. What was wrong with me? I can't remember what was the color of this. Was it something like albatross, or I'm losing my mind? Let me know if you know what this is. But it's really nice. I don't want to let it go yet. I just hate how sticky it is. I'll keep it for now. Space Case Cosmetics. Seen from Space is the color. It looks so similar to the ones from ColourPop. I will be decluttering this one. I almost never reach for it. It's the shade. Beautiful color. Those are like the colors that I'm into. I don't like them super pink, super gold. Just like a beautiful champagne. This is by Wonder Beauty. And this is the Wondrous Glow After Hours highlighter. I told you guys that I had tried this before. It's one of my favorites. I swear I would put this like in one of my #1 highlighters ever. It's beautiful. I love the color. I love the formula. Everything. I just got a palette from BoxyCharm that I did a video with. Has this highlighter in that palette, the Getaway palette from Wonder Beauty. Beautiful. Even if you can get this alone, if you don't want the whole palette, get it. This is a beautiful highlighter, trust me. It's here from Fenty Beauty Starstruck highlighter. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't really use it, but oh my god, look what a mess I'm making. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. I have here the Moon Dust highlighter, another beautiful one. I love it. I believe this is by the brand Ciate London, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, one of my favorites. You can't see it well like this because it's packaged like this. I believe this is the little packaging, so just so you see. Ciate London. One here is from Estee Lauder. So beautiful. This is Bronze Goddess in Heat Wave. Don't like glitter, do not get this one, but oh my god, this is stunning. They have several colors. I will not be getting rid of this. I think you can still get your hands on it. It's just gorgeous. This is Artist Couture in Illuminati Glow Powder. I will be keeping it. It's a beautiful shade. I just do not like loose powders. It's just so messy, but this is beautiful. I cannot get rid of this. It's a beautiful color. This from Becca is a liquid light highlighter. Such a beautiful liquid highlighter. Passion is the color. I will not get rid of this yet. Like I said, Becca's going away, so you won't be repurchasing these. I have this from Cover Effects. This is the glitter drops. I don't want to get rid of this yet. I don't really use it a lot. It's glitter. I don't die for it. This is in the color Mirage. This is everything that I will be getting rid of. I don't want to touch it too much and make a mess just in case anything breaks. So thank you so much for watching. I think we did really good today. Next might be my blushes or my bronzers. I'll leave a playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.